In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Osmanli Yatirim in Tradingview. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. So you can place trades through your Osmanli Yatirim account directly from the Tradingview chart. Make sure you're already logged into your Tradingview account in your browser before you start, so everything goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can simply type Tradingview into your address bar or search engine and open the official site. Once the homepage loads, either log in or confirm that you're already logged in. You should see your usual layout with charts and tools available. Next, open any chart where you want to trade. It doesn't really matter which symbol you're on at this stage. The important thing is that you're inside the charting interface. Once you're on the chart, look toward the bottom of the screen for the Trading Panel tab. On most layouts, it's in the lower part of the window, near the Pine Editor and Strategy Tester tabs. Click on Trading Panel to open it. When the Trading Panel opens, you'll see a selection of brokers and trading services that can be connected to Tradingview. If you don't immediately see Osmanli Yatirim listed among the first options, look for a link or button that says Show All Brokers. Click on that. This expands the list and reveals all available broker connections supported for your region and account type. With the full list visible, use the search bar or scroll through the list to find Osmanli Yatirim. Typing the name into the search field is usually the quickest way, especially if there are many brokers displayed. Once you see Osmanli Yatirim in the list, check that it has the connect option available. Now, click on Osmanli Yatirim to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a small window prompting you to connect. At this stage, you'll typically be redirected or shown a secure form where you'll need to sign in with your Osmanli Yatirim credentials. Enter your details carefully, make sure you're on a secure connection and follow any on-screen instructions provided by the broker. After you confirm and authorize the connection, Tradingview will link your Osmanli Yatirim account to the trading panel. From here, you'll be able to place orders, manage positions, and see your account information directly on Tradingview through the Osmanli Yatirim connection.